Kigomo, Ben Gitae, Lois Kim, all these people and the rest wa Mumenya, they are not the age of the Gen Z. Au hajakuja na hii rika ambayo iko kwa mitandao full time, but they may not able to manage this. But mitandao watafanya kitu ingine ya faster na mbio. Hawa ni wazee wanaendaga polepole la hivi, lakini hiyo utakumbuka tu kwa maombi yako, wasifunikwe kabisa na hii haraka ya vijana. Vile wao wanapanga mipango iko na mwisho, iko na heshima. So my Lord Bishop, continue ministering to us and giving the word of God. My Lord Bishop would love to tell you, but huyu amelala hapa, ukiangalia kwa Euroje kuna mahali inasema alisomea Mihote Primary Nyandarua. Mihote Primary Nyandarua ni Kaibaga. Kutoka kwa hiyo shule alisomea kwenda kwetu ni kilomita 1. Hata wale walikuja mazishi ya mamangu Mheshimiwa Sabina and the rest, mlipitia kwa hiyo shule pale Betty alisomea. I came to know that she was from my area, nilipomkuta akiwa mziki. Na alikuja Siba Center. I want everyone to remember this. I was in America by then. Lakini alikuja na kabuku. Akona wimbo huu wa 11th hour. Na kafuku na ndio inabiasha kurekodi. Abelilo ni mundu tako Mjoro, Elijah Mira, Muhiko the late, makejmwadekera kafu thora masaka masagagirwo acangeirwo kuina rwimbo guo yari harambe kiro Siba Center. That's how she started. Daima America gaukange kora my wife akejira ate nikore muinira inire rwimbo rwega muno ria ndathire kumuona nira jerire no wagwitu Kaibaga na ngimaka muno tondu Kaibaga riri twari kigwetwo na itheru na ne mogumo ya reto ali mutikana rigwete na itheru ringi niko kumeta bishop of priesthood niko kumeta muinio munene niko athomera otho niko kamokite kuo. And that's the reason why I have been here, and my wife there was one of the producers ne ndona ndo arake marego my wife na ndigo adwa online madeka de single. So atolendra na ogwo bishop ogwa oshonwe senator atondu bishop ndaigwa uga ni kuri maundu maingi mandikitwo kana makario na uga ni aronire maundu maria mararagio haha nikio turona nginya bishop Ben ma uga ni kurania mutumia na ni arona ni aikaranga mundu ngekauko kana ni mutumia tondu no handikwo we gukite guku we uthuri kana we itha wa ciana na maundu monu turakimaigo every time ni turakenda gutheria hau tondu no hotukire riu ugo muigai wake kana handu ugitamburukie na mwathani agikurathime. Thank you very much for the chance you have given us, Ben Gitae. I know the bishop will handle all your team in his own capacity. So I give my pole Kwatash, my friend. I remember you were brought in my office the first time we met with Betty. Rĩrĩa ndire kuhika okire na muthuri wake wa office agicoka gukana akagwa kwa muchige na akimwira kwa ndimarathime tohoirwo hiki kuu agicoka agithie kwe wa ngojire kihoerwo kuo agicoka agithie nikiro na tungatire maringi haha ni atwarite muthuri wake kundu kuingi muno na keningi baba watoto ni mwarimu wa nende muthomithitie tondu ngorire twena nyina tukihunjia kuma theru nginya Simba we emurutwo na nimfundisha mambo mengi. Si ni kweli prophet? Yeye ni kijana yangu na yeye pia ananiheshimu sana na tumekubaliana ne tukomwita ringi na ringi ariria thuri mundu ekoro itha wa ciana ni agirwo kuhitha kana ni kumira ni tuona no rutani uyu tukaumiraga no cio niguo mutugo Ngai akimurathima wa kirumba ne njui horo ni ukwikira mageca-ini nigetha tuutamburukie mageca. God bless you so much. I know, Bishop, when you have time, you acknowledge them.